because this year we're celebrating the holidays with Robinson's Land, spending Christmas cheer for 45 wonderful years. Let's kick off a magical Christmas right here at #OurFavoritePlace. Tonight, we are joined by some very special guests. First off, we have the Manila City Mayor, Honorable Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Love you too. May asin pa yun. Sa ating pong kaibigan at patuloy na nagtitiwala sa lungsod ng Maynila, ang ating Robinson's family continue to build business and opportunity for the city of Manila and the people of Manila. Ang ating kaibigan, Mr. Faraday Go, sir, and to the Go family, and to the Robinson's family. Sa ating DTCOM Director, former Congresswoman Cristal Bagachin, City Administrator, at ang isa sa mga opisyal, one of the many officials, high-ranking officials, who were wounded in September 21 incident. Colonel Roy, ang tibay nito, may tama na, inaayos pa ang Maynila. But I'm proud of you, Roy, and to the men and women uniformed personnel of the Manila Police District, to our partner in Bureau of Fire, all other agencies, department, barangay chairman, kagawad, at mga nanay, mga bata, mga friends in the media na nandito, at sa lahat ng gagastos ngayong gabi ito. O dahil gastusan pag napunta sa mall. At iba naman, you know, one of my experience sa mall, nung araw kasi wala pang Robinson dito. Meron tayo SM sa, sa may Carriedo. Ang buhay namin, Isitan Recto. Oh, Mr. Go, pag kami napunta sa Isitan Recto noong dekada 80, para na kaming nasa Disneyland. That's how it is. We go to the mall and go around and dreaming of one of those clothes, toys. Sana pag sweldo namin o pag nagka-chape, mabili namin. Ang tawag namin doon, window shopping. But I'm happy that Robinson, for so many decades now, is aggressively investing in the city of Manila. Whether condominium, offices, or commercial complex. Robinsons continue to provide businesses and job opportunity to our people in the city. And I would like to inform tayo, mga mamamayan, mga batang Maynila, at mga dumadako sa Maynila. We are happy to report to you in less than 3 months, a little over 3 months, 6,000 plus new businesses were registered in the city of Manila. New businesses, new opportunity, new jobs for the people of Manila. And that is our direction, to continue to invest. Your city government, despite of lack of financial ability, we will continue to invest and spend efficiently with regard to MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Job creation. We will continue to focus on how to help and invite again. Kasi bumalik na yung mga negosyo nung unang termino ko, nagkandawala ulit eh. But rest assured, sa mga gusto magbukas ng negosyo, pumanatag kayo, bumalik kayo sa Maynila. Ako'y mananatili na rito ng 10 taon pag ginusto ng lungsod ng Maynila. No more I gave my part, I did my part, but I'd rather stay in the city of Manila to develop it in the next 10 years of our lives so that there will be continuity of progress with consistent approach of making, while it is true that Manila is old, but it's a lot of history, a lot of story. And the least thing that we can do is to make it pleasant, maliwalas. I'm okay, we're old, but we can make it pleasant and peaceful. Maliwalas at panatag na pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Yawa ang Diyos. Now, here we are, getting together, going to light up the symbol of hope, lights, what you call North Star of our life. We're going to celebrate the season, and I hope that we continue mag-alab ng patuloy na mag-alab sa ating puso at isipan na may pag-asa ang ating bansa, ang ating syudad, at ang ating buhay. Na sana sa mga panahong ngayon ay makamit natin ang ating mga dalangin sa Panginoon Diyos. Mga bagay na personal na pangarap natin at higit sa lahat, malusog na mamamayan at ligtas na mamamayan sa Maynila. At sino mang dumadako sa Maynila. Sa mga kababayan namin na narito, pumanatag kayo. Kahit wala tayong tsapi, ipararamdam ko sa inyo, sa bawat pamilyang Manileño, mararamdaman nyo Pasko ng lungsod ng Maynila. And to my beloved, pasensya na mga kabataan, may extra points lang sa akin yung mga lolo't lola natin. Yung aking mga lolo't lola, may extra pa akong regalo ulit sa inyo sa Pasko. Steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli. Hindi kayo mawawalan. Pero sigurado ako magkakaroon kayo. But I'm happy when our seniors are smiling. Our seniors are hopeful. And our seniors, like Robinson Mall, today, adapted again by providing opportunity again to our elders and to our PWDs. Recently, I just signed an additional new contract, revival of what we have done in 2019 and 2022 with top big corporation in the country for them to hire our lolo't lola, yung malalakas pa nating senior citizen, yung ating mga PWD, andiyan dyan kanina, mga PWD, galingan nyo. Naalala ko tuloy, hindi na mawalay sa isipan ko. Galingan ninyo, talagang ipinaglalaban ko kayo na kayo'y maisama. Maging normal. Normal na mamamayan. Ano man ang kinakarap nating physical challenges, we can still be part of being a productive members of the society. And also to our elders. Yung mga lolo't lola ko na may asim pa. Ayun, kita may asim pa yun, no? Na pwede pa, kumbaga sa tawag ng tanghalan ng dekada 80, pwede pa kami portion. Because I know in their heart, nobody wanted to stay home at 60, at 65. They can be still productive and helpful to the business and to create certain harmony in the workplace because of their life experiences in their life and their journey. And these are the things that brings a good atmosphere in the workplace, like what one company said to me, nag-iba ang aura sa loob ng trabaho, sa loob ng tindahan. So sa mga minamahal kong lolo't lola, inumin yung insure, pampalakas yun. Gusto ko, yung susunod na nakikita nyo na yan, yung paborito nyong kape, mag-hire na rin yan ng mga lolo't lola natin at magiging bahagi ng ating programa. So, now, to the Robinsons family, to the businesses who are located here, thank you, and you continue Continue investing in Manila. And I guarantee you, no harm, no abuse will come to you. As long as I'm here, we will level the playing field. Patas, this certainty of rules. The sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. Kaya umanatag kayo at muli natin bubuhayin itong Ermita, Malate, Manila. Muli natin pasisiglahin, pasasayain. Napakaganda dati ng Ermita, Malate. But we have started already, and I want to invite each and every one of you on October 31, the last day for Oktoberfest, will be held in Arroceros, in Remedios Circle. These are the activities of your city government through DTCAM and partnership with the private sectors to create activities, events in the community. So muli, mga nanay, tatay ko na naririto, mga batang Maynila, isa lang ang pakiusap ko. Bagamat masakit sa katawan nito, pumanatag kayo, gagawin kong araw ang araw at ang gabi gagawin ko pa rin araw. Magbubuti po ako. Pipilitin ko magbuti. Iinaman ko. And we will try to spend money, the little resources efficiently. But what I request from you, mga nanay, tatay ko, mga batang Maynila, help me. Kailangan ko ng tulong ninyo. Hinihingi ko lang, isa lang. Kusang disiplina. Kung kinakailangan, panatilihin nating malinis ang ating kapaligiran, ay malaking bagay na po yun sa akin. Bawas na po yun sa aking intindihin. Kaya po, sana manatili tayo at samahan ninyo ako because I cannot do it alone. I need your help. I need everyone's help. Because this is our city. Dito tayo pinanganak. Dito tayo nag-aral. Dito tayo nagkapamilya. Dito kayo sa Robinson naghahanap ng jowa. Wala pa ba? Maraming apam ako nakita. Oh. I mean, this is our life. Dito umiikot ang ating buhay. So we should love our city. Let's make Manila my Manila. Own it. Own it. It's ours. Protect it. For the next generation. For our children. Let's do something that is different from what happened in the past. So that the next generation will have some city or environment, a workplace na mas maayos at mas maliwalas sa kanila. So tulungan ninyo ako. Basta tulong-tulong tayo. Ngayong Pasko, makikiisa ako sa dalangin ninyo. Sana matupad lahat ang wish nyo. Hindi ko lang kayang ibigay, jowa talaga. Tayo sasagot niyan. But, again, kidding aside, on a serious note, I hope in what is happening in the world today, sana magtuloy-tuloy na ang peace or kapayapaan sa mundo. Because one way or another, we're just gonna be a pawn in the chessboard. We don't need this. I hope there will be peace on earth. And I hope and pray na tayo'y maging ligtas sa lahat na darating na mga pagsubok sa buhay natin, lalo na sa lokasyon ng ating lungsod sa Metro Manila pag nangyari yung big one. Let's just pray, get prepared, do what is necessary to prepare ourselves. But mind you, your city government is ready. We are prepared. But the next question is, are we prepared enough? That I cannot answer. Because I cannot quantify the effect of possible big one in Metro Manila. So I need your prayers. Rest assured that your city is going to do its part. And we're going to prepare, and I hope that there will be a Merry Christmas to each and every one of you, to each and every one of us, to the city of Manila and to the country. And I wish that God, all of us, that God will protect and guide us. Magandang gabi, maraming salamat at pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Sabay-sabay, Manila! God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mayor Isko. Kindly remain on stage because it is now time to light up Robinsons Manila's Christmas tree. May we also call back on stage Sir Faraday Go and invite the following on stage to join us in the tree lighting ceremony. Mr. Irving Wu and Mr. Wardy Gilgos. Now for our guests, please wait for my signal before activating our Christmas orb. Maybe have one quick group photo first, everyone. Please look at the cameras. To our media friends, you can come forward. Now to our guests, our special guests up front, we will be counting down from 10, and you will be the ones to touch and activate the Christmas orb to light up our Christmas tree. But before we count down, I would like to ask our wonderful audience, you have to count down with me. Are you excited? Can we all please stand up so that we can feel that Christmas energy? Alright, you have to count down with me. We will start at 10, okay? Let us wait for the countdown to begin. 10, 9, 8, 7,